Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to give you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to find Jet2 promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, you just have to simply come to the official website of jet2.com. Over here on the homepage, you will see the currently working discounts, deals, offers, etc. So you just have to simply take a look at these and check if you are interested in these deals or not. If you feel that any of the deal is resonating with you, you just have to simply avail that just from the official website of Jet2. Now in the second method, you just have to simply just go to this URL section and type backslash. After that, you need to just type promotions over here and press enter. Now after doing this, it will show you of all of the currently working promo codes or promotions on Jet2, and as you can see that 50% off on hold baggages. So basically these are currently working discounts. These are 18 in numbers, so you can just take a look at these and check if something is interesting to you. You can even just take a look at these expired ones, but there is no use of these. So simply click on the current tabs and try to find your best coupon codes. In the second method, you can seek help from other websites like this one, that is voucher.co.uk, where you can search for jet2.com, and here you can just try to find the promo codes and deals. So it will also add up on your discount that you received from Jet2. So this is how you can find Jet2 promo codes in 2025. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, just do let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching this video.